Mechanical business with full workshop, Mulgrave, Victoria. Nanjing Auto Service Centre offers an unmissable opportunity to buy a fully set up workshop plus client base at a low cost. Selling for virtually assets only, it is perfect for a mechanic just starting out or to expand an existing mechanic business. Located close to a busy shopping centre and motor vehicle business strip, the workshop offers general mechanical repairs and vehicle servicing. There is huge potential to increase clientele with social media marketing and advertising in the local area. Started from scratch in 2017, the clean and well-arranged workshop has 2 hoists and all tools required to run the operation. The 200 square metre plus premises can facilitate up to 5 vehicles with ample off-street parking, workshop, office and storeroom. Due to the current owner's limited English, the business previously focused on customers from the Mandarin-speaking community. However, with a broader customer base and more marketing, the sky's the limit in this great location. With an asking price mostly just covering equipment and stock, this excellent package offers huge potential to the right buyer.